Well, I got the engine all ready to get pulled out. Transmission, cross member bolts, motor mounts, all the wiring, I hope. I don't really know. Never pulled an old motor out like this, so hopefully there aren't any grounds hiding anywhere. Derek from Vice Grip Garage said it pretty well. They'll probably get 2 or 3 buddies, but you know, we're from the same state, so we'll make the same mistakes. I'll just do it by myself, maybe, probably not. But oh well, we'll give it a shot. It should be interesting. Do it for the gram or YouTube video. Chrome. Oh, that's loose. That's okay. Nice and close. I hope this works. Look at that perfect spacing. Should probably put a rag in there or something. There we go. That'll work. I should definitely have gotten somebody. Oh well. Oh yeah, sucking it right in. Come on, Bessie. There we go. Should we try and get her piece of cake? That transmission is basically drained, right? Basically. What are you? Who does that? Yep, there is a ground I missed. Is there anything else? I hope not. What do you know? The one thing I thought I may have missed, I missed. What do you think? 7/16? That's another thing I'm not used to. Everything on this car is... And it was at this moment that I leaned on the fender and put my wrench on the bolt, and I had shut the power source off for my dang microphone. But what I was saying is everything on the car was a standard socket or standard wrench. I didn't need a metric anything to remove any parts, and also I didn't need any penetrating oil on a lot of stuff, which was just so surprising for a car that was built in 1969. So now I'm just making sure everything else is good to go after getting that ground strap off. Pretty sure everything's all good. Let's see, one thing I was worried about was the garage door to engine lift clearance, and obviously it seemed to be okay. Jacking it up, the engine pulled right out of the engine mounts really easily, and it was just raising up really good. this engine actually has a 4-quart oil pan, so oil pan clearance really wasn't something I was thinking about. More or less just the length of the engine attached to the transmission. Getting those all out together was definitely a feat. Here we go. Yeah. Heard my son crying during bath time. Yeah, not the favorite thing to do when you're 2 years old. But yeah, everything is going very well. The transmission is clearing perfectly, all drained out pretty much. But as of right now, I felt like I was good to go. Just keep on lifting this thing up, get that rag out of the way that was obviously pointless. Neighbors are watching, perfect. Oh, is my microphone on? Yeah, it probably is. Good job. Definitely wasn't on, dude. Rechecking that clearance, obviously it looks good right now. And this thing is just pumping right up like it was 100 pounds, even though, yeah, definitely was over a half ton. There it really freed up. That tail shaft of the transmission had just cleared the firewall. Really big angle. Yeah, a little bit pushing the specs on that engine hoist. But as I started moving the hoist over here, making sure everything's good, oh, get that rag on there. Don't want to scratch the paint. I was gonna do a feature on the wheels and forgot about it, but we'll get to those later, but they're pretty trick. Everything looks good. Oh! Yep. Just ripped the kickdown cable out of the dash. At this moment, I really didn't know what it was. It's attached to the right side of the transmission. Pretty sure it's just a transmission kickdown cable. But I actually gave the transmission away for a case of beer because it was so junk. But there we go. Yep, just yank on it. Yeah, good job. I don't know what it does. I'll just leave it hang there. Make sure I didn't rip anything else off. This side looks good. Yep. Well, let's just get back to lifting this thing up and out. Almost there. So close. This was so nerve-wracking doing it on my own, but hey, it worked, you know. Didn't break any bones, break any parts. There we go. Almost completely clear of the car. Gonna pick up the tail shaft of the transmission. Another sketchy thing, like I was saying, was potentially tipping over that engine hoist was always on the back of my mind. Here we go, just swinging it out, give that thing a karate kick. There we go. Yep, that didn't do anything. And what's funny is, as I'm pulling and turning this engine hoist, the right front caster wheel actually dug into the asphalt on my driveway, and I had to hammer it free with one of those pieces of wood on the driveway because it was literally stuck in place. So I'm going to get it into its spot where it's still sitting pretty much. We get the transmission off and see what it looks like under that oil pan. Wonder how tight these bolts are. Ooh. I'm sorry. Stay. I don't think that this lift is too happy. Oh well. Let's see. Nine sixteenths, which I lost somewhere probably. Here we go. Will all the transmission bolts come off with just a corner inch electric impact? Oh my gosh. This is hilarious. Just zipped right out. there's one. There's two. No, just one. I'll take that. Boom. Winning. Let's get this adjusted. There we go. Let me just put this in a place where I'll lose them immediately. Yep, already forgot what those are for. Looks like it needs to be something. Needs some convincing. So let's see, got my handy dandy pry bar. There we go. You know what? There we go. Why am I working so hard? It's Sunday. Come on, torque converter. There we go. That was the wrong way to do it. Now we got the torque converter still on the engine. You can see that. There we go. Got the tranny separated. Look at that. Ugh. It's okay. Just kind of get these custom lines. There we go. Boom. I think we can jack it up now. Right? Why not? It'll just splash. Can you tell I'm a little excited? Is my microphone still on? Yep. Here at Lang Speed and Cycle, we're full of professional editors and, I don't know, fancy things. That's why I shut my microphone off. The most important thing I've ever done on this car. Shut the microphone off. Sorry, I should quit complaining about that. Any dang ways. Close enough. Zip the oil pan off of this bad boy. Well, more like sad boy. Sorry. I'm a dad, so things just come out. I don't ask for them. My wife doesn't ask for them. But that, guess what? That's who she married. She married a crazy person. Guy who plucks a Buick out of somebody's backyard and thinks I'll be able to get it running in 2 weeks. Yeah, exactly. It'll run eventually. I have a feeling this is going to be bad. Comment below what you think it's going to be. Really bad? Kind of bad? Not bad? What if it just, like, I don't know, jammed a rod into the side of the block in the middle of the cylinder? So, like, this engine is impossible to rebuild. Or what if there's an animal stuck in it? Somehow a little squirrel found its way into the engine. This is safe.
mom and dad and aunts and uncles and cousins and friends. This is all safe. It's fine. We'll just zip off all this side. I should really have gotten my younger brother to do this. I mean, yeah, you'd love this. So far, so good. I haven't broken any off. Unlike trying to take the tranny pan bolt outs. Tranny pan bolt outs? Tranny pan bolts out. Quit turning. Oops. And one. Yep, this side's good. Oh, I really gotta start doing something. I don't know, I'm not eating vegetables. Icky bicky. One more. Is there any more on this one? How messy is this gonna be? Probably messy. Ooh, there we go. Ooh. 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 That's not good. Ooh. Yikes. Yep, we're gonna do some close-ups of this. This is really bad. Would you just look at it? What happened? Oh my gosh. What the heck? Get this out of here. That was expensive. Look at this. It looks like someone melted a freaking candy bar on top of that thing. Look at the engine really doesn't look that bad. Now that thing will not turn. So I don't know what the heck is going on in there. But look at that. Ugh. Whoa. Don't think I ordered a milkshake with my Buick 350. Thanks again for watching Lang Speed and Cycle. I hope you enjoyed the video. It was quite an adventure. Stay tuned. I got a bunch more content for you guys. Please like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Lang Speed and Cycle. Again, thanks again. And remember, find them, fix them, and drive them.